Did you hear what just happened to one of the world's biggest TikTok stars? Khaby Lame, yes, that Khaby, was just detained in the United States. And the story only gets crazier from there. This is one story you don't want to miss. Khaby Lame, the king of silent comedy on TikTok, the guy with over 160 million followers, just got detained by U.S. immigration officials. Yep, you heard that right. Khaby was stopped at Harry Reid Airport in Las Vegas on June 6. Because, according to officials, he overstayed his visa. He entered the U.S. on April 30th, but apparently he didn't leave in time. Now, you might be thinking, Khaby? The global superstar? How does this even happen? Well, here's where it gets serious. This didn't just come out of nowhere. The U.S. government, under Donald Trump's immigration policies, has been cracking down hard. The Trump administration has been very public about its stance on illegal immigration. They vowed to deport millions of people. And they've made it clear. If you're in the country without the right papers, even for a short time, you're considered a criminal. Yup, harsh words. But Khaby isn't just some tourist. He's an Italian citizen. He officially became Italian in 2022. And before that, he was born in Senegal, moved to Italy when he was just 1 year old, and built a life from nothing. Before TikTok, he worked in a factory. Like a real job. Manual labor. Hard days. Long hours. Until COVID hit. He was laid off during the pandemic in 2020. But instead of giving up, Khaby turned to TikTok. He started making funny videos. Super simple ones. Just reacting with that classic deadpan face to the most ridiculous videos on the internet. No speaking. No drama. Just pointing out the obvious. And people loved it. One of his most viral videos? It was him silently mocking a TikToker who literally cut his own t-shirt to escape a stuck car door. Khaby just walked up, opened the door normally, and looked at the camera like, really? That video alone got over 158 million views. No words. Just comedy. Pure, relatable, brilliant comedy. And now, this same guy is being detained in an airport? It's heartbreaking. And confusing. Especially because he's been keeping active on social media the whole time.